To remove bloatware on the Z Fold 6, there are a couple of options we can explore. So let's start from our home screen, swipe up, and this will show all of the apps installed on your phone. So let's say I don't want YouTube Music. We will long press the app. We then see the uninstall option. Tap on uninstall. Tap OK to uninstall the app. Now with other apps, you can't actually uninstall them, but we can disable them. So an example here is the Play Store. If I long press on this app and then select disable and then disable again, this will completely hide the app from my device. It won't function in any way, but the actual app itself is still technically installed on my phone. However, it can't do anything on the device. So if we select disable, we'd be able to disable it. To re-enable, you go into settings and then you select apps. You would select the app and there'd be an enable button there.